Welcome back on Reti Educational Academy YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to share Sindh MDCAT 2023 Reconducted by Dow University of Health Sciences Chemistry MCQs solved. In previous video, I had shared MCQs from Physics and Biology. Here we go. If you find any mistake or any question is missing, just comment. Thank you. Here we go. Question number 109. Electrons revolve around nucleus and situated at fixed distance from nucleus with definite energy. It is a statement of, and the correct answer is Neil Bohr. Question number 110. Wave which has highest penetrating power, and the correct answer is gamma waves. Question number 111. Typical monocost seed does not have, and the correct answer is spathes. Question number 112. Producing sound organ, pair of vocal cords, and the correct answer is larynx. Question number 113. Conversion of straight to branched chain, and the correct answer is reforming. Question number 114. The petrol gasoline is mixture of, and the correct answer is hexane and heptane. 115. Acetylene is passing through red hot tube in presence of, correct answer is uncatalyzed benzene. 116. Methanol is called disparate. 117. Which is used as ink preservative, and the correct answer is phenol. Question 118. Positive charged oxygen bounded with free other atoms or group of atoms, and the correct answer is oxynium ion. Question number 119. Diffusion of gas is inversely proportional to a square root of density at constant temperature and pressure, and the correct answer is Gram law. Question number 120. Used in TVs and computers, and the correct answer is plasma. Question number 121. Free falling drops of water, and the correct answer is surface tension. Question number 122. Which of the following having characters of malleability, ductility, electrical and thermal conductivity, and the correct answer is metallic solids. 123. What happens to Kc when catalyst is added to chemical system equilibrium, and the correct answer is it becomes zero. Question number 124. Outer body of dry cell, and the correct answer is zinc. Number 125. Process occurs at anode, and the correct answer is oxidation. Question number 126. Dipole moment of CS2 is 0.00. Question number 127. Trigonal pyramidal shape, and the correct answer is NH3. Question number 128. In first law of thermodynamics, initial and final state depends upon, and the correct answer is energy. Question number 129. Chemical reaction NHO2 to NO2. The order of reaction is, and the correct answer is second order. Question number 130. General gas equation is combination of, and the correct answer is Boyle's and Charles law. Question number 131. Smallest repeating pattern on which lattice is built, and the correct answer is unit cells. Question number 132. Kc is an equilibrium constant. Question number 133. 2HI H2 plus I2 is, and the correct answer is second order reaction. 134. In reaction A to B, rate of disappearance is, and the correct answer is, please check this as well. Question number 135. At ordinary condition, formaldehyde is, and the correct answer is gas. Question number 136. The molecular weight of water soluble protein is high. Question 137. At equilibrium, rate of forward reaction is equal to rate of backward reaction. Question number 138. Fat soluble vitamins are, and the correct answer is A, D, E and K. Question number 139. Maximum amount of product is obtained by balanced chemical reaction by using, and the correct answer is theoretical yield. Question number 140. Percentage of 2 in water, and the correct answer is 88.88%. Question number 141. Limiting reaction is one which produce, and the correct answer is minimum number of mole products. Question number 142. Nucleophile is a, and the correct answer is electron rich species. Question number 143. At highest temperature, the gas exists in liquid is called, and the correct answer is critical temperature. Question number 144. Elimination reaction in which only substrate involved in rate determination step, and the correct answer is unimolecular. Question number 145. Toluene reagent is prepared by adding drops of NaOH plus AgNO3 to white precipitates, and the correct answer is AgOH. Question number 146. Dry distillation of calcium acetate produces, and the correct answer is acetone. Question number 147. The number of 75,300 is written as, and the correct answer is 7.5 into 10 power 4. Question number 148. X-ray discovered by, and the correct answer is W. Rheingnogen. Question number 149. Elimination is extracted through bauxite. Question number 150. Electrically refining copper is 100% pure. 151. Stainless steel is alloy of, and the correct answer is FeCrNi. Question number 152. In the orbital of atom, no two electrons can have same set of quantum number, and the correct answer is Paul's exclusive principle. 153. Cracking is employed by increasing quantity of petrol form, and the correct answer is crude oil. Question number 154. A reaction in which two molecules combine and yield single molecule, and the correct answer is addition reaction. Question number 151. 5. Benzene was first isolated by Faraday, and the correct answer is Hoffman. Question number 156. Fuming sulfuric acid at room temperature reacts with benzene to produce, and the correct answer is benzene sulfonic acid. Question number 157. Replacement of one or more hydrogen atoms of methane with halogen is halogenation. Question number 158. P block contains, and the correct answer is metals and non-metals. Question number 159. Viscosity is measure of, and the correct answer is resistance in flow of liquid. Question number 160. Shape of diamond, and the correct answer is tetrahedral. Subscribe Reti Educational Academy YouTube channel and follow us on Facebook and TikTok. Thank you. Stay connected.